Tangents and normals. For the curve y is equal to f of x, equation for tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is equal to dy by dx at x0, y0, at a point x0, y0. And equation of the normal is given by y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m times x minus x1 at a point x0, y0. If the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, then dy by dx is 0. If the tangent is perpendicular to the x-axis, then dy by dx is dx by dy is 0. Now let us do a problem related to this. Find the points at which the tangent of the curve y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. Given curve is y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 7. Now let us first find out the slope of the tangent, which is given by dy by dx, which is equal to 3x squared minus 6x minus 9. It is given that the tangent to the curve is parallel to the x-axis. So this implies 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Let us take 3 as the common factor outside. So that gives you x cubed minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. On factoring this, you get 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 or 3. Then x is equal to minus 1. Let us substitute x is equal to minus 1 in the first equation. Y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 7. In the place of x, let me substitute minus 1. We get y is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 12. Same way, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 27 minus 27 minus 27 plus 7, which is equal to minus 20. Hence, the required points are minus 1, 12 and 3, minus 20. Now let us do another problem related to this. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 13x squared minus 10x plus 5 at point 0, 5. Now, the given curve is y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 13x squared minus 10x plus 5. Let us find out the dy by dx, which is the slope of the tangent, which is given by 4x cubed minus 18x squared plus 26x minus 10. Now the indicated point is 0, 5. Therefore, slope of the tangent at, so dy by dx at 0, 5 will be, in the place of x will substitute 0, which gives you minus 10. All others become 0, so it is just minus 10 which is left out. So therefore, equation of the tangent is, therefore, equation of the tangent is y minus 5, the indicated point is 0, 5. So, y minus 5 is equal to minus 10 into x minus 0 or 10x plus y is equal to 5. Next, let us find out the equation of the normal. Equation of the normals. Now, the slope of the normal will become slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is at 0, 5 is 1 by 10. Therefore, equation of the normal is y minus y1, which is y minus 5, is equal to 1 by 10 into x minus 0, or equation of the normal is given by x minus 10y plus 15 is equal to 0.